Hello and welcome to the 24 Hours of Bitcoin. This is the February 6th edition from 2019, and this is presented by intro-to-cryptos.ca. My name is Doug, and I'll be your guide each day. Let's start off here with a longer-term view of Bitcoin. Bitcoin prices actually look critical right now, and they could be building a bottom formation where higher prices could be built from here, but as we were saying yesterday, we're looking at a descending wedge triangle, and it could mean even further sharp price drops could be looming right now. Let's take a look at the historical prices and then zoom in. So we can see for the last 18 months, if we look to our right on the chart, we can see where support and resistance is now. And if prices do go lower and we do have that sharp drop coming soon, then we got to look right and look for where support and resistance levels are, 2400. And if we zoom back a bit more, we are down to the $1,240, $1,220 range. Those are the two levels of support that we have back in the past from August and September of 2017 were the same prices we are now. We'd have to go back to May and June of 2017 in order to get down to the next levels, and back to February of 2017 to get back to those levels. So now let's zoom in on the prices and see what's going on. Zoom into the 3-month view, and this is the descending wedge triangle that we are talking about, where we could be in for a large drop from here, but at the same time it is still a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. If we zoom into the 1-month view now, so that we are just looking at January and February, we can see, yes, today's move down brought us back to the same levels as the 28th or 29th there. Let's continue to zoom in. Now we're into the 1-week view. You can see where I've been doing these daily reviews, where each day I've been doing a prediction of where I thought prices were going to go. Let me zoom back out a little bit. And my predictions were wrong. They were based on the Fibonacci support and resistance levels. So I was doing this. I was doing the Fibonacci's from this level to this level, anticipating that this is a bottom formation. This would be the first leg up. This is where I was anticipating prices were going to be moving up to and retesting this level. And prices didn't do that. Now they've come down a little bit. So I'm going to clear that stuff off and revise what I'm thinking for tomorrow. As I zoom in and I zoom in, I still believe that we're in a bottom formation. Until this breaks below these levels, I'm betting and I'm trading for there to be a bottom formation out of this, which means that even from here, I'm still expecting it to come back and retest. So if we look back at this 1 week, zoom back a little bit, so we have some good time frame here. If we're looking at these charts, we see where it went up and then it pulled back. Each time it pulled back, it came up and retested these older levels. So we can see where prices came back and retested. After a dump down, prices came back underneath those and retested. Came up underneath those and retested. And so what I'm thinking is that we will have another up underneath retest right in here. And if that retest fails, let me clear this up. If that retest fails, so this is what I'm anticipating, a retest of this. If the retest fails, prices are going down. If the retest is successful, it will retest this way. So these are what I'm thinking for the next 24 hours in prices. And I do believe they'll be coming up like this. Now, some of the other things we're looking at are the buy and sells. So here we have 46% longs and 53% shorts. We'll check those every day and see how they turn out against the charts. Another thing that I'm going to do each day with these charts is to review a few technical analysis indicators, so that each day we are checking them out and reviewing them again. First of all, I've got to clear off my arrows. I shouldn't have cleared off what I did. I will reinstate the 0600 to 0600 later. I'll get that right. 0600 to 0600 lines so that we know where each day begins and ends for our predictions. And then I'll leave those lines on there. So when we come back tomorrow, we'll know where those lines were, and we can compare those against the technical analysis indicators here. So each day we'll zoom into the RSI, and for my own part, what are we looking at? 1 hour here. This doesn't give me anything to go on for what I'm trying to trade. If I zoom out now to the 4 hour bars, difficult to look at with too many indicators there. Tomorrow's live stream, I'll have these separated into 3 different charts so that we can make sensible use of them. Too many in the chart just is too cluttered for me. And we'll go through those in the next live stream. So that's it for today. I just wanted to go over Bitcoin price, and what my basic prediction is that price is going to be retesting these levels and failing, or retesting these levels like this. And that's what my next 24 hours is watching for. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. Give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. I'll be doing these short and sweet on a daily basis. Ciao for now.